Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. Okay, and hello. Look at this. Hello. Okay, have you taken your breakfast? How are you today? Are you ready to learn English with Mr. Fizri? Okay, saya harap semua bersedia untuk belajar dengan bersemangat pada hari ini. Okay, sebab hari ini kita ada satu topik ataupun tajuk yang sangat best. Okay, sangat menarik. Okay, our title for today is Where do the animals hide? Where do the animals hide? Di manakah haiwan bersembunyi? Kita dah belajar kan yang haiwan ataupun animals ni, mereka ni dia boleh bersembunyi. Okay, dia boleh menyorok. Okay, tapi dekat mana? Okay, but before that, look at this. Okay, today is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, Isnin. And the date is 11 July 2021. Okay, 11 hari bulan 7, 2021. Okay, for this video, I put a music. Okay, video kali ni saya letakkan music yang rancak supaya awak tak ngantuk lah. So that you will enjoy this video and you will not fall asleep. Okay. Okay, so now we want to look at the first animal, haiwan yang pertama. Okay, can you see this? Here, what is this? And also here, what is this? Haiwan apakah ini? Okay, so the answer is butterfly. Butterfly. Okay, how do we spell butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Okay, we read this together. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Butterfly adalah rama-rama. Okay, so this is how they hide themselves. Ini cara mereka bersembunyi. Okay, kalau dekat sini, ini adalah dekat pokok. This is at the tree and this is on the leaf. Ini dekat daun. Okay, jadi dia bersembunyi ikut warna dia lah. Kalau dia green color, dia cari tempat yang berwarna green. Kalau dia brown, dia cari tempat yang berwarna brown. Okay, next animal. Okay, look at this. Okay, actually you can this is a lizard. Okay, kalau tak ada circle ni, kita pun tak tahu ini adalah lizard. Okay, tengok, this is the head, ini kepala dia, and then this is the body, and this is the tail, this is the leg. Okay, come on now, spell lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard, cicak. Okay, and then what is this? This is a very tall animal, haiwan yang tinggi. Okay, look at this. This is the head, the neck, the body, and the leg. Okay, this is giraffe. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Okay, spell with me, eja sama-sama. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffe adalah zirafah. Okay, are you ready for the next animal? What is this? Okay, can you see the eyes? These are the eyes. This is the beak. This is the feathers. Okay, this animal can fly. Okay, so haiwan ini dalam bahasa Melayu kita panggil burung hantu. Burung hantu. Okay, in English we call this owl. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Burung hantu. Okay. Now next animal. Okay, this is a dangerous animal, haiwan yang berbahaya. Okay, kalau tengok daripada jauh kita tak perasan. Can you see this? This is the eye, this is the mouth, and this is the long body. Haiwan ni panjang, jenis menjala. Okay, so this is a snake, ular. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Okay, so we must always be careful when we go to the jungle or when we play at the bush. Okay, bila kita pergi ke tempat yang ada semak-semak ataupun ke hutan, kita kena berhati-hati. We must be careful sebab haiwan-haiwan berbahaya ni dia akan menyorok. Okay, dan bila kita mungkin kita tak perasan dia akan serang kita. So this is dangerous for us. Okay, now let's look at the next animal. Okay, can you see this? Okay, in the circle here. Also here in the circle. Okay, now we can see the leg. It has many legs. Ada banyak kaki. Look at this, the leg. Okay, haiwan yang ada banyak kaki. Okay, it is a spider. Labah. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Okay, now let's count together. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Okay, now this one, the green color. Okay, ini adalah sejenis burung. It is a bird. Okay, it is a bird, burung kakak tua yang berwarna green, green color. So burung kakak tua in English we call parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Okay, burung kakak tua. Okay, now next animal. Okay, this is very dangerous but interesting animal. Okay, haiwan ni menarik tetapi sangat bahaya. Okay, now look at the color. Tengok warna dia hampir sama dengan warna grass ni, which is orange. Okay, so what is this? This is a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, now. Okay, so actually there are many other animals. Ada banyak lagi haiwan yang bersembunyi. Okay, at home you can find from the internet. Okay, awak boleh Google saja, buka internet. Okay, like this. Okay, and then you can type where do the animals hide. Okay, di manakah haiwan bersembunyi, and then you can see many videos. Ada banyak video. Okay, so kalau ada internet ataupun mobile data yang lebih, yang laju, okay, boleh tengok di rumah. Okay, so that's all for today. Hari ini tiada latihan bertulis, cuma saya nak murid-murid baca sahaja. Ikut saya baca. Okay, boleh ulang semula video dan ikut baca nama-nama haiwan. Okay, I think that's all for today and I hope to see you again. Okay, bye.